Exactly. Dicot or monocot? Eudicot. What is this structure right there? Right, vascular bundle. What would be this region right there? Cortex, exactly. That's cortex. The vascular bundles are in the cortex. Okay. Okay, a little closer now. Here we go. A little nicer one here. That's a pretty good one. Okay. So, all right. That tissue right there is xylem, a type of vascular tissue. Okay, what two types of cells we normally find there? Vessel elements and tracheids. How could I tell a trachea? Smaller lumen, but still lignified. Okay. This region right here is a region of? It's vascular and specifically phloem. That's right. Okay. These are fibers. Good. Okay. There's some more cortex right there. It's a little more obvious. Okay. Okay. What would be the function of these cells you're looking at right now? Storage. Also, space filling. Okay. What would be the function of these cells right here? Transport phloem sap, which the main component is sugar. Okay. And these? Water and minerals. Okay. Okay, what kinds of cells are these? They are sclerenchyma. They're specifically sclerids. That's right. These are the stone cells that you find in pear. Okay, what link these individual cells? Plasmodesmata running through? Well, through the middle lamella, and the middle lamella is right there, okay? But they run through little holes in these very thick lignified walls. They're called canaliculi. And I don't think I'll ask you that, but just that first lab word, nobody gave me that. But you should have been picking up that because it did say it. So, anyway, okay. So sclerenchyma and individual cells are called sclerids. Okay. Okay, what plant organ? Leaf, okay. Monocot or eudicot? Monocot, how can you tell? What about it? No, that's not the reason. But you're right, but that's not the reason.
The dicot has quasi-mesophyll and you
Yeah.
can see the mesophyll.
Right, the layout's completely different. Here's the vascular bundle. What are those big bulby looking cells? Bundle sheath cells. So C4 or C3? C4, right. Which is the upper side of the leaf and which is the lower side? Which is the right-hand side? Is that upper or lower? It's upper. How do I know? Lack of stomata on that side, and you can see the stomate on the other side. Okay. What is this space right here? Substomatal space. It's right underneath the stomate. Stoma. What are these cells here called? What is that region that's called that way? Spongy mesophyll. That's right. That's right. And again, that's a bundle sheath cell right there. Okay. Okay.